Congratulations on completing the C-Sharp Programming Fundamentals course. You've built a solid foundation in C-Sharp programming, and now it's time to explore advanced learning opportunities that can further enhance your skills and broaden your development capabilities. This lesson will introduce you to three powerful frameworks: ASP.NET Core, Entity Framework, and Blazor. Each of these technologies plays a vital role in modern application development and will prepare you for real-world programming challenges. Don't worry if this feels new at first. Now, ASP.NET Core is a cross-platform framework for building modern web applications and APIs. It's designed to be fast, flexible, and scalable. With ASP.NET Core, you can develop web applications that run on Windows, macOS, and Linux. This framework supports the MVC, Model View Controller, architectural pattern, which separates your application into three interconnected components. Here's a simple example of how to create a basic ASP.NET Core web application. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. After running the command above, navigate to the project directory. To run the application, see the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. Your web application will now be accessible at http://localhost 5000. From here, you can expand your application by adding controllers, views, and models. Now, Entity Framework, EF, is an object relational mapper, ORM, that enables developers to work with databases using C# objects. This abstraction allows you to interact with your database using strongly typed classes instead of SQL queries. EF simplifies data access and helps you manage database interactions more easily. To get started with Entity Framework, you will first need to install the Entity Framework core package. You'll use this often as you go. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. Here's a snippet demonstrating how to create a simple model and context. So, with this setup, you can easily perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations against your database using LINQ queries, allowing for cleaner and more maintainable code. Now, Blazor is a relatively new framework that allows developers to build interactive web applications using C# instead of JavaScript. It utilizes WebAssembly to run C# code directly in the browser, making it possible to create rich client-side applications with the same syntax and tools you use for server-side C# development. To create a new Blazor WebAssembly application, use the following command. I'll let you read the examples on screen rather than reading every line aloud. To run the application, navigate to your project directory and execute. See the example on this slide. Pause if you want to study the details. Your Blazor app will be available at http://localhost 5000. With Blazor, you can build components using C# and Rails or syntax, allowing for a seamless development experience across front-end and back-end. In this lesson, we explored three advanced frameworks that build on your C#. Knowledge. First, ASP.NET Core, a framework for building web applications and APIs. Also, Entity Framework, an ORM for database interaction using C# objects. Finally, Blazor, a framework for building interactive web applications with C# in the browser. Each of these tools opens up new avenues for developing modern applications, enhancing your skill set and employability in the tech industry. Go ahead and work through this exercise. First, create a simple ASP.NET Core application and add a controller that returns a list of products. Also, set up Entity Framework and create a new database context with at least 2 entities. Finally, build a Blazor component that displays a list of items and allows users to add new items to the list. By engaging with these exercises, you will gain practical experience that reinforces your learning and prepares you for your next steps in C# programming.